Make Believe Arts are delighted to share with you our new online programme, Helicopter Stories at Home. Having spent years working with schools and settings across the UK, supporting them in sharing helicopter stories with their parents, we are now ready to pass on everything we have learned. In this Buy Once, Own for Life online programme, we provide a training video for teachers and early years practitioners on how to go about introducing helicopter stories to parents. There is also an information sheet about sharing the acting out and a session plan to support you to run an introductory workshop. We also provide information for parents. There are 3 videos that parents can watch during the workshop and that they can revisit later at home via a login and a unique password that is provided within the programme. We also provide you with a sheet containing top tips for parents, as well as an information leaflet that you can hand out. Each of these can be printed or sent via email. We hope that you enjoy sharing helicopter stories with your parents, and we look forward to hearing the results.